Hey, what's up? What's shaking, what's cooking, what's poppin'? It's Vlogmas day 23, Jordan. 23, Vlogmas day 23. I posted for 23 days in a row. If that don't make you subscribe, I don't know what else will. It's like, nah, but make sure. Is that an ice cream truck? No, it's drinking sweat. Okay. Guys, it's Vlogmas day 23. That means it's only really 3 more days because 23, 24, 20. I can't do it 3. 23, 24, 25. So that's like 3 more videos. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. It went by kind of fast though, like low key. It didn't really feel like 20 some days. But anyways, guys, hello. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Vlogmas day 23. Last night I didn't really do too much. I did kind of do something. I went to my friend's crib and they had like a little kickback or whatever. It was cool. I had a good time. I didn't get back in the house till like 4 in the morning though, so I know my mom was like, girl, what was you doing? But yeah, and now my friend Bree is we're about to go to the mall. So yeah, I guess I will take you guys along with me today as we go to the mall. Yes. I definitely did not vlog at the mall. Like 0. Just because I just really wanted to spend time with my friend. Because I haven't seen her in a minute. So I just wanted to like be in the moment. And so because I didn't vlog, by the way, sorry for like, I just really do not like this color scheme. I don't like anything about it. I don't like the sheet. I don't like this Christmas tree. I don't like that my shirt is orange compared to everything else. But I don't know, like let me just talk about anything. So by the way, I have a tutorial coming up on how to slick back hair. I just got the idea like literally just now to answer a couple questions that they say will make you fall in love with somebody. See if you guys fall in love with me, okay? I've never looked at this. I don't know why I thought of it, but I just will. Okay. Given the choice of anyone in the world, whom would you want as a dinner guest? First people that come to mind are Barack Obama and Michelle. I feel like they would drop so much knowledge, or like I would ask them to, or if they was trying to be like all professional at the dinner, and then like I would put them to the side and be like, all right, so what's the nitty gritty? How you become president? How y'all deal with all these crazy people, like, and still trying to be cordial with everybody? Would you like to be famous? In what way? Yeah, I would like to be famous in, I guess, in way of being myself. I want to be myself. Like, I want people to love me for me, and I don't want to have to fake. That's why on YouTube I never do any there's not been a video that I've posted that has been because of that everybody else is doing it. Everything that I posted I genuinely love, and I feel like that's what keeps me going. Yeah. Before making a telephone call, do you ever rehearse what you're gonna say and why? Yes, I definitely do that sometimes, because I get anxiety sometimes about it, which is weird. That's a weird thing to get anxiety about, but I feel like a lot of people get that. But yeah, I definitely do that. But what constitutes as a perfect day for you? A perfect day for me would be to wake up mad early, which I never do. Wake up mad early, look at a sunset, then eat a really good breakfast, waffles probably, then take a nap, then get up, get dressed, film videos, create all day, but still have money in my account, and then go to bed at a normal time and then wake up and do it again. That would be a perfect day for me. When did you last sing to yourself or to someone else? I last sung to myself when I was out today with my friend Bree. We were talking about chakras, so you know Janae Aiko's song, she'd be like, and then my chakras again, my father is a doctor, I've been talking to him, and got it from him. So yeah, to someone else, when I was at the kickback yesterday, I think I sung something to one of them boys that was there. I don't remember. If you were able to live to the age of 90 and retain either the mind or body of a 30-year-old for the last 60 years of your life, would you want? Which one would you want? I don't really understand the question. I guess they mean like when I hit 30, do I want to have the mind of 30 forever, or do I want to have the body of 30? I would definitely want to have the body, because I want my mind to grow as I get older. Like I want to learn stuff. And if you're 30, you're looking nice, you know, I would probably stay like 30 body. Do you have a secret hunch about how you will die? Whoa, that's whoa. Do I have a secret hunch about how I will die? No, but I know I'd rather not die in my sleep. Just because I don't like talking about death. I don't like talking about death. But I'd rather not die in my sleep. Just because I feel like that's boring. Like that's boring. I don't know what else to say. Name 3 things you and your partner appear to have in common. Okay, we both like YouTube because you guys are my partner. We both like YouTube. We both enjoy content. And we both love slaymiyayt, I guess. For what in your life do you feel most grateful? My brothers, my family, but like specific my brothers. I don't know, that's the first thing that popped in my head, but my family. If you could change anything about the way you were raised, what would it be? I would give myself more creative freedom. And they never stopped me from being creative, but I felt like that wasn't a part that was shown to me. But that's not really their fault, because my parents are not in the creative field, so they don't know nothing about it. Like anything I'm doing creativity wise, I've learned on my own, or you know, just came across by my own searching, which is why YouTube and things I do in my spare time hold a dear place to me, because nobody taught me that. Like I don't have anybody who leads me in what I'm doing. I just trial and error. If you could wake up tomorrow having gained any one quality or ability, what would it be? The first thing that came to my mind was to be able to swim like really well. Like I can swim, but I can't, like, I'm not an Olympic swimmer. But if I think about it, a quality, maybe to be less awkward, because I found myself in awkward situations a lot, or like not knowing what to say or repeating myself, so I'd probably not do that. But then again, I do like that I'm awkward because it makes me me. What is the greatest accomplishment of your life? The greatest accomplishment of my life, I would say deepening my relationship with God, or deepening my relationship with God, like on my own without my parents like guiding me. What do you value most in a friendship? Speaking up, like talk to me. Like if something's bothering you, say it. Like use that throat chakra. What is your most treasured memory? My most treasured memory is maybe walking into the hospital and seeing my smallest brother for the first time. And like seeing my most terrible memory, keep that one to myself. If you knew that in 1 year you would die suddenly, all these death questions, would you change anything about the way you are now living, and why? No. Maybe if you asked me a year ago or even a couple months ago, no. Like anything that happened has happened, and if I don't take it out my life, God will take it out my life. So no, I wouldn't change anything. I would just continue to be grateful, continue to be thankful, and you know, just live. I wouldn't change anything. What does friendship mean to you? A lot, because I don't have many, and a lot of my friends have turned on me. So like the ones that are solid, they mean everything to me. The world. What roles do you love and affection? What roles do love and affection play in your life? I guess a big part, but I'm not very sentimental, so a lot of people mistake that as me being not loving. but I feel like I show my love in other ways that people just don't pick up on. Yes, I'm playing with tape. That people just don't pick up on. Like, for example, in my last friendship, I was telling her that, like, she wanted me to share my life with her, and that was how she expressed her love, I guess. And I was like, well, I express my love by being there for you, and like making sure that nobody bothers you. Like, I'm like, what, pull up. Like, I feel like I'm more of like a protector. That's how I show my love. Alternative. Alternate sharing something you consider a positive characteristic of your partner. Share a total of 5 items. I can't really do that, but y'all know I love Slay Gang to death. To death. Y'all have been such a big part of me growing and becoming who I am. And I will be thankful forever for everything that YouTube has brought me. All the people, all of the skills, like everything. Like, I love y'all. How close and warm is your family? Do you feel your childhood was happier than most people's? My family's pretty close, pretty warm, and I do feel that it was happier than most people's. Just because of, like, the stories I hear from other people's families, mine is, like, is happy. Like, my family problems don't even amount to what other people got going on. So I'm just thankful. Like, I just give thanks to God all the time for my family. How do you feel about your relationship with your mother? I feel like it got better now that I'm an adult. In my teenage years, it was just like regular. Like, it wasn't bad. Like, I hate you, Mom. Man, you see the color of my skin? But I think that it got better now that I'm older, like more fulfilling. Like, we talk to each other. Like, of course I'm still her daughter, and she's still my mother, and we have that. But it's more of like a friendship, but like a mother-daughter friendship. Like, we're good, we're solid. Complete this sentence. I wish I had someone with who I could share. I wish I had someone who I could share my pictures with. Of course I share my pictures with the world, but I mean, like, oh, like, do you think that this is cute? Should I post this? Da, 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 da. I know that's so millennial of me, but, or I guess the basic thing is share my life. But do I want to share my life at this point in my life? I don't know. That's why your girl is single. If you were going to become a close friend with your partner, please share what would be important for him or her to know. If we were going to be close, we're already close friends, but if we were like tangible close friends, you would need to know that I literally took the test, and I am 51% an introvert and 49% an extrovert. So I have a lot of internal battles, and sometimes I'm extroverted and sometimes I'm introverted, and that's just me. And I'm an Aquarius, so it's like, you know, if an embarrassing moment in my life was when I was cheerleading in middle school, and they dropped me, / I failed, / they dropped me in front of the whole school. So everybody knew me as the girl that failed. But, you know, whatever. What, if anything, is too serious to be joked about? I feel like the death of other people is too serious to be joked about. Like, I really do not play with death. Like, even if they're already dead, like, okay, haha. Like, I won't laugh myself, but I'm just like, I wouldn't be like, don't say that. Racial slurs shouldn't be joked about from, you know, racist people. And death, like, don't, like, for example, that thing on Twitter where they be like, when I'm in hell and I call my best friend in heaven. I'm like, that is not funny. Like, I am not retweeting that. If you were to die, oh my gosh. If you were to die this evening with no opportunity to communicate with anyone, what would you most regret not having told someone? And why haven't you told them yet? I really cannot think of nothing. I feel like I say what I have to say. I say what I have to say. Like, there's not, I'd be like, oh wait, like, I gotta tell such and such that I love them, because everybody that I love knows that I love them. I don't have anything. Your house containing everything you own catches on fire. After saving your loved ones and pets, you have time to safely make a final dash to save any one item. What would it be? What would it be? What would it be? Probably my computer, because my computer has most of my memories on it. Like, I have albums and all my music is on here, my YouTube is on it, my life is on my computer, so I'd probably run and get my computer. Over my camera too. Of all people in your family, whose death would you find most disturbing? I'm not answering that. I'm tired of that. Share a personal problem and ask your partner's advice on how he or she might handle it. Also ask your partner to reflect back to you how you seem to be feeling about the problem you've chosen. Okay, I don't know what that second sentence means, but a personal problem with me is that I've been feeling very, like, on the surface lately. I was just telling my friend Bree this. I've been feeling very on the surface lately, and I really want to, like, get into more, like, spiritual things, but it's hard for me to figure out what I believe in, and it's hard, besides, you know, God, and it's hard for me to figure out, like, what exactly, it's kind of scary for me. I'm not scared of anything, but the thought of it is scary for, like, to go deeper into yourself. Like, I feel very on the surface, and I don't like that. Like, I want to be more in tune with myself, and I feel like I was there a couple of months ago, and now it's just like this that, but I don't know if that's me or, like, I don't know. Well, I ended up answering all of the questions, so I really hope you guys, like, enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you tomorrow on Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. Alright guys, see you.